Hi guys, in this video we'll talk about the Xiaomi 14 Pro versus Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus. The Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus launched on September 2023 with the price tag of $999 and the Xiaomi 14 Pro launched on November 2023 with the price tag of $800. The dimension is same and the weight of these devices. The Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus have 225 gram and the Xiaomi 14 Pro 223 grams. And the build of these devices, the Xiaomi 14 Pro front and back glass and the titanium frame, and the Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus front and back glass and aluminium frame. The both mobile come with dual SIM support. The display of these devices, the Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus come with LTPO OLED 1 billion color and the Xiaomi 14 Pro come with LTPO AMOLED 68 billion colors. The size of these mobile screen is not much difference. The Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus have 6.82 inches display and the Xiaomi 14 Pro have 6.73 inches display. The resolution of these devices, the Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus come with 1260 by 2720 pixels and the Xiaomi 14 Pro come with 2K screen resolution. The PPI density of these devices, the Xiaomi 14 Pro come with 522 and the Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus come with 440 PPI density. The refresh rate of these devices, the Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus and the Xiaomi 14 Pro come with 120Hz refresh rate and the screen to body ratio is same, not much difference. And the protection of these devices, the Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus come with Huawei Cooling Glass 2 and the Xiaomi 14 Pro come with Xiaomi Longjing Glass. And the display brightness of these devices, the Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus and the Xiaomi 14 Pro come with 3000 nits peak brightness. Let's talk about the camera of these devices. The Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus come with triple camera setup, the main sensor 48 megapixel and the second 40 megapixel ultra wide and the third 48 megapixel periscope telephoto, and it's got 4K 60 fps video. And the Xiaomi 14 Pro come with triple camera setup, the main sensor 50 megapixel telephoto and the 50 megapixel ultra wide, and collaborate with Leica lens, and it's got 8K 30 fps video. The selfie camera of these devices, the Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus come with 13 megapixel plus TOF 3D biometrics and 4K 60 fps video record, and the Xiaomi 14 Pro come with 32 megapixel selfie camera and 4K 30 fps video record. The platform of these devices, the Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus come with octa-core Titan big CPU and the Xiaomi 14 Pro come with octa-core processor Cortex X4. And the chipset of these devices, the Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus come with Kirin 9000 S 7nm chipset and the Xiaomi 14 Pro come with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 4nm chipset. And the GPU of these devices, the Xiaomi 14 Pro come with Adreno 750 and the Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus come with Melo 910 GPU. The operating system, the Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus come with Harmony OS and the Xiaomi 14 Pro come with Android 14. The memory of these devices, the Xiaomi 14 Pro come with 12GB and 16GB of RAM and the Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus come with 16GB of RAM. And the internal storage, the Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus come with 512GB and 1TB of internal storage and the Xiaomi 14 Pro come with 256GB, 512GB and 1TB of internal storage. The Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus have nano memory card supported. The battery of these devices, the Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus have 5000 mAh battery and the Xiaomi 14 Pro have 4880 mAh battery. And the charging of these devices, the Xiaomi 14 Pro come with 120 watt fast charging and the Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus come with 88 watt fast charging. And the wireless charging, the both mobile come with 50 watt fast wireless charging and it's come with 5G network. And the common and the feature is same. And the result of these devices, the Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus got 20 points and the Xiaomi 14 Pro got 22 points.